Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to go ahead and be a unboxing video, but before I get into that, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and plus this video as well. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Twitter at Ariel Celeste, and I think that's it. So let's get started. So like I said, today is going to go ahead and be an unboxing video. We are going to unbox a Marc Jacobs Beauty VoxBox. And I do have to put a disclaimer out there that this box is given to me by Marc Jacobs Beauty and Influencer as a complimentary gift. I just have to say that because this is what we have to say with these types of VoxBoxes. So just putting that disclaimer out there. So let's go ahead and roll into this VoxBox. So this is what it looks like on the outside. It is by Influenster. I hope this does not show up the other way. So opening up the VoxBox, this is what it looks like. Take out the packaging. I have no idea what's in this box. I did take this out beforehand. This is just a little pamphlet. I have not looked at this pamphlet. I just simply used it to read what they tell me to as far as disclosing what this box is, like saying that it's basically complimentary and stuff. Excuse this strap right here, it's annoying. So in this box I'm given a Marc Jacobs Highliner Glam Glitter Gel Eye Crayon. I wonder what shade it is. It says shade Glam Jam. As soon as I open up the other package, I'll go ahead and show y'all these shades. I put that right there. I as well got the Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow. It's a gel powder shadow. This is what the box looks like. So I guess, oh, it's in shade OMG. So I guess what we're going to do is I'm going to open this one first. So this is the packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it comes like this. I'm trying to hold it in there. Packaging comes like this, and this is the shade that I received. It does come with the mirror, but I'm just going to go ahead and cover it. This is the shade that I went ahead and received. It is the shade OMG. What I'm going to do is go ahead and swatch it. So by the texture, guys, this is so buttery and it is so nice. So this is what it is looking like. It doesn't. So I swatched it once already, but I'm just going ahead and swatching it again. So this is the swatch of that color. It's more like an orangey shade. Honestly, I would probably use this like as a topper. So the second product that we have is this Marc Jacobs Highliner. It is a Glam Glitter Gel Crayon. I have tried their other crayons before, like the just the basic gel crayons. I've gotten it in the shade black before, and oh my god, their formula is so amazing, like so amazing. So this is in the shade Glam Jam, I believe. Let me go ahead. This is the swatch. It has little reflectance of glitter in it. I don't know if I can tell. I'm going to try to get it has like little reflectance of glitter in it. So this right here is just two swatches, like one over the other, and I'm assuming the more swatches that you do, like the more times that you go over it, the more glitter comes off. So this is like one. Sorry, it looks so bad. So this is like just one swatch, this is two, and this is like, I think I swatched it like 4 times. So I want to say the more times that you go over it, the more glitter comes off. But that shade's more like a purpley shade. The gel eyeshadow is retailing for $29. Honestly, I think that this is a good price because I know that there is some single shadows that retails about this, but this is like a pretty big pan. Like, I'm trying to show you. Like, this is like literally the size of my palm. So this pan's pretty big, and I know that it is pretty deep. It does come with a mirror, and the packaging is so luxurious. So I think that $29 is worth it for this. The gel eyeliner crayon retails for $25, and it does come with a little sharpener at the end, so that's kind of amazing because a lot of pencils don't come with a sharpener, especially whenever it's like the plastic that they use on it, and you can never find a good sharpener for those because usually like a lot of other sharpeners eat those kinds of pencils up. But for $23, that is not bad, and the pencil is like pretty big. So with the eyeshadow, there is 9 different shades that you can go ahead and pick from. In this booklet, it tells me the Omega Shadow Gel Powder eyeshadow, the high impact pigment 12-hour long wear, double the size. This is bigger and better. Never worry about hitting pan again with double the size of the leading powder eyeshadow singles. The innovative 12-hour long wear formula features gel coated pigments for a buttery texture, instant impact, and crease resistant performance. The cult colors were curated by legendary makeup artist Diane Kendall and are the 9 most requested, most flattering shades you'll ever need. And honestly guys, I can say yes, this is so true, because normally whenever you get like a little small eyeshadow like this big, it's like $12. So if you're paying double the price and it's like double the size plus like the depth of it is like really worth it, I would say yes, that it is so worth it. Now with the Marc Jacobs Highliner Glam Glitter Gel Eye Crayon, that is a mouthful. It is a tint shimmer, waterproof and extreme wear, which is really good because I know that the other ones, I want to say they're waterproof, and I will attest to it because it really works. This new highliner gets glitzed on glitter. Make a bold new statement with glitter without the grit. This extreme wear waterproof eyeliner features the same amazing glide and flawless precise application as the original, and sets in place for all day wear. Create more looks than you ever thought possible. Line it, smudge it, layer it for a shimmery smoky eye. How do you highlight? So this one, I believe, comes with 7 different shades. These are the shades that they came out with so far. And then with the eyeshadow, these are the shades that they came out with the eyeshadow. Honestly, I have had only one Marc Jacobs Beauty product before, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So for them to come out with a glitter version of it is so amazing, because I know in the beauty industry a lot of people like to use glitter and all of that. So this honestly is so amazing. So what Marc Jacobs is saying is that the eyeliner specifically is waterproof, but I believe because with the other gel crayon that I've had previously, just the original black one, I know for sure that that one is smudge proof. So with this one, it is the same thing as well. Like, I'm pressing this down and it's not moving at all. There is no glitter coming off. So honestly, I think that this is really good. So out of the VoxBox, these are the 2 items that I received. I honestly like these 2 products just from swatching them and touching, like feeling the consistency of them. I honestly think that they're going to be so amazing. If y'all want to go ahead and see me do a video using those products, just go ahead and let me know. If y'all want to receive products that are for free, because these products are for free and they are complimentary, and a gift, please let me know. I'll go ahead and do a rundown on Influenster. Influencer is just basically a free program that you can go ahead and sign up for. You review products, you take surveys, you interact on the app, and it eventually gets you free products such as like Marc Jacobs, Benefit. I've received things from CoverGirl before. Just go ahead and go to my Instagram. There is posts of previous VoxBoxes that I have received. But if you would like for an in-depth video on that, please let me know and I'll give you the rundown on the way it works. That way you can go ahead and decide to sign up or whether or not you would like to sign up. We'll link my influencer link down below, that way you can go ahead and look at it for yourself, figure it out if you want to go ahead and just sign up for it before me explaining it. But I'm more than likely going to do a video, that way y'all can just know what is up with that. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I hope that I hit everything that I needed to. This is my first unboxing ever, so I'm kind of like, what do I say, what do I do, even though I watched thousands of videos before of different people unboxing different things. But with this being my first one, I'm just kind of like all over the place. And also, if you'd like to see a video of this look specifically, which is my everyday makeup routine, please let me know. Comment on my Instagram, comment on my Twitter, anywhere, leave me a tweet, something. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter at Ariel Celeste. And I'll catch y'all guys in the next one.